Hey guys, let's talk about the Sports DV app not connecting to your camera, the GH88 or only the H88, depending on the model that you buy, it has a different name. So here I have the app that I downloaded from the App Store. I just hit open. And the first thing that I have here is the option to connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, if I click here, it's going to send me to a new menu that I don't know what to do exactly here. It's asking me to allow some access to the camera, but it's not the way I have to connect to the camera. To connect to the camera, just need to come here and turn on the camera. Just press and hold the button. Then you see the camera comes on, and then you double press to put the camera on a discover mode. So basically now your cell phone can find the camera. So just disregard this, don't use this, and come here to the Wi-Fi setup. In here, you're gonna look for the camera signal. Here right now, I just see different signals. You just need to wait and refresh to see if the camera is available. It's not available yet, so just keep looking for the camera. You can just come here to your Wi-Fi, and there we go. You see the camera is available here. It's just disappeared. Let me just try one more time. There we go. Here I have the camera. Then I enter the password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit enter. And now my cell phone is connecting directly to the camera. Okay, I see here that's connected. Then I come back to the app. And I'm gonna see that changes here to play. Now it means it's connected via Wi-Fi to the camera. And then I can play and see the camera live. Let me just put the camera here in this position, and then I hit play, and you see that's working now. And I can move something in front of the camera, and you see it working live. So basically that's the way you can connect a camera to the Sports DV app, okay? This is the H88 camera, also known as GH88. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.